Hold on. Hold on, I'm recording it. Y'all hear that? I'm in a hotel room right now. They're going to show you that they follow you everywhere that you go. They follow you everywhere that you go. Let me see. You heard the second one?
Yeah, this is not the love. Allegedly.
Hold on. I'm about to show y'all the cars.
So, welcome back to another episode of Gang Stalking. Remember the bicycle that I showed you in the previous video? It just got stolen. These people were fucking watching me. And how I know they were watching me is because I was at my friend's house. Then I went to my parents' house for 2-3 hours. I went to the mall. I went in the mall for no less than 15 minutes. My bike got stolen. And it's not a motorcycle, it's a bicycle. Then I had to spend money on a new bike that's fucking smaller. But I had that money to save up for some other shit. But no, it got stolen. And see, it seems like I'm upset. I'm not. Look at my face. I'm sweating. I'm hot because I'm wearing this hoodie because when I left this morning it was cold and now it's hot. Yeah, I'm upset that I got taken. But not to where I'm bent out of shape. Because it's what they want. That's what they want. They want you bent out of shape and mad. So then they can keep you on the low vibrational. You're not gonna do it. That's this new bike. I have to tune it up. This is what you get when you buy a Target bike. But yeah. They're back at it. Stalking and everything. But don't let them bring it down. They're fucking crazy. They're psychopaths. Anyways, I'll see you guys.